We've had situations that have required us to, be closed for part of the day, and we could then send an alert out in Beekeeper. We tend to use the campaigns for those because then it shows up in people's inboxes as a chat. And that gave us a really quick, easy way to disseminate that information to all of our employees. With COVID, obviously that became next level. It's changed the way that we do business. We've had changes to our hours. We had changes to the way that we needed them to approach cleaning and interacting with our customers, training around, enforcing the mask guidelines and that sort of thing, just to help them feel supported in enforcing masking requirements. And we're able to sort of channel those trainings to the right people because we have different streams for different types of employees. I think the other thing that I really valued, particularly with the pandemic, has been that it doesn't just have to be my outward communication or the manager's outward communication. It also gave us a really meaningful opportunity to solicit feedback from them about what they were experiencing, where they needed support, and to help guide the conversations and the mindset, because this is such a mentally and emotionally fatiguing time that helping them stay engaged in a positive way goes a really long way to helping everybody not feel quite as burnt out all the time.